What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's episode we are going to do a review on the RYOBI Workbench Lite coming up. Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Ryan, and today on this video we are going to do a review on the RYOBI Workbench Lite. So I picked this up at Home Depot last night, and I've been looking for this everywhere. Apparently it's very hard to find in the stores, but I ended up finding it in the corner of the shelf. There was only two left, so I picked one up. It ran me about $50. Let me just check the receipt and make sure that I'm giving you the correct amount specifically for this light. Home Depot bill right here. Right, so the RYOBI Workbench Lite ran $54.97, so $55 with taxes. So this light, you know, here's the box. This is what it comes in. It comes in this box. It does not come with a battery, does not come with a charger. It just comes with the light itself. Now, it produces 950 lumens of light output, which is pretty bright. It's a good working light. It also has 270-degree rotating arm, which this is what it means by a 270-degree rotating arm. When you pull open, you can put it up like that, which it shows full, right? Or you can rotate it this way and you have a workbench light right here. If you're working on something small, you can light up your area and not have a problem seeing what you're doing. Now, I really think this light is awesome. I bought this last night. I used it for a little bit and it does wonders. The awesome features about it too is you can actually hang it. So here you pull this forward and you have like a clip right there. That's one. And then you flip this side up, right? Push forward and you have another clip. So now you can hang it anywhere you want on anything, suspending, and it suspends. You can straighten it out and it suspends, so you have an overhead light. Now you can store this away, right? Put this down here, store this away, put this down here, and if you want, where is it? Somewhere here. Oh, so if you want, when you have it folded in, there is another hook that is spring-loaded that holds it up pretty well, so you can illuminate both sides. Not sure if it works. Oh, it does work like that too. Spring-loaded that way. I don't think it's gonna work when it's up like this. You have to use these other tabs. But other than that, this light is really good. So let me turn it on and show you what I'm talking about. This battery you had to buy separately. This battery, I believe, cost $99. Now, how I ended up getting this battery for free, Home Depot is running a promotion. If you bought a toolkit set from RYOBI, you would get a free battery. And I ended up paying, I think, $2.99 for this whole entire tool set kit, which I will be doing a review on separately as well. And I ended up getting this battery for free, and that kit came with a charger and two other batteries. But this is the battery that this light needs. So let us clip this in like so and turn our sucker on. Woo! That's bright as heck. This light is extremely bright. It also does this feature, and then off. You can have it turned this way and, you know, light it up both ways. You can turn it this way. Same knickknacks on the top. But other than that, this light is really good. It's bright as heck. And right now, this battery is only running on one charge. So it has this little button on the battery itself where you can press. And it's running on 1 bar. That's how bright it is, on 1 bar. This battery, I believe, is a 4 amp hour battery, so it'll give you some good run time. And other than that, I don't see anything else that is specific to this that needs to be known. But the reason why I picked up this light is I saw it on Mighty Car Mods. I saw them using it. They call it a bendy light. And when I saw them using it, I thought that it would come in handy for me, and I decided to pick one up, and I love it. I don't regret it, and If you guys are interested in this, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to find one, because they are hard to find in Home Depot. For some apparent reason they are. I looked in a few Home Depots before I actually found this one. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description below for you guys so you can pick them up. I am not going to dive too into specs with this, but if you do want me to, I can read off something for you. Like I said, it has 950 lumens, 270 degree rotating arm, includes lighting, multiple lighting positions, and standalone options with hanging positions. Battery and charger is sold separately. Let's see what else it says here. 2 separate banks of LEDs to illuminate each bank or both together, half or full light options. And this is the P727 LED workbench light. The type of battery that this needs, apparently that it says, is a lithium plus HP battery, which is a P193 6AH battery. Now I'm actually using a 4AH battery and it works fine. I didn't pick up the 6AH, I didn't see one on the shelf, but this was the one that they were offering for free. I took it and it works amazing. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Any questions that you have, please leave it in the comment section below and I will make sure to answer each one for you. Don't forget to smash that like button and also share this video with your friends and family if you found greatness from it or you found value from this. So fist pump and peace out.